US indices traded bearish throughout the day. We have seen a good slide here in Tech 100 hitting 8670 levels as the lows, while US 30 has also moved towards 4550 and US 500 has hit the lows close to 54, 57, 58. Yes, we have predicted in our Asia and Europe session that there could be bearishness, there could be a breakout. It has so far respected the analysis. Now, what to expect? The world awaits the NFP data, which is going to be the decision maker, which is going to be the king today, and how to profit with that. We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start without wasting any more time. First, we look into S&P 500 followed with Nasdaq and in the end Dow Jones. See S&P on the hourly charts, you can find it. It's found a support at 54.60 and the resistance here at 54.75 appears to be strong. It is just consolidating it around this zone. If it draws below 54.60 and specifically below 54.50, you can say that the bears are back in action. Right now, if you look at the formation here, drop retracement, then it has come out of the zone, and I have mentioned earlier in the day that it is trading in this bearish channel, delivering lower highs and lower lows. Now on the upside, 5500 5510 zone is going to remain a critical resistance for it to break past. By any move towards 5500 5510 is a sign that possibly this is trying to retrace, and it could. Any move beyond 5520 and 5550 is the sign of reversal. As long as it stays below 5550, we should not be treating this as bullish. You can say till 5550 the chances of a reversal will be very high. Yes, the data can bring huge swings. Moving averages right now are looking downwards, staying bearish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking forward to a little rise. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts here, see preceding two candles outside Bollinger Bands, double top is seen. Let it break beyond 54.75 and 54.90 zone. If these two levels are taken, you can look forward to 5500, and any move beyond 5500 should be a sign of reversal here, where the chances of 5520 5540 levels will increase. But I can say as higher it moves on the upside, the stronger the resistances are going to be. Yes, it can show you good swings as well. Stochastic at bottom here, see MACD is almost crossed over but trading with very little divergence and bearishness. RSI is at bottom. Coming to 3 hour chart, look at 3 hour charts here. This move is simple: the drop, the retracement, and this is the second round of drop here, which is continuing. Flat top 5550, greater resistance, greater milestone. What has happened today? It has formed the next step at 5500. With that, it has tried to trade bearish. Higher lows are seen and it is trying to recover, trying to retrace. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. RSI is already staying oversold. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. Similar observation here, nothing different. Drop, retracement, drop again. It is forming a fall here. Moving averages crossing over here definitely is a sign of bearishness. But see, despite the drop, the possibility of a retracement cannot be denied. Right now, it is trading bearish. If you see the resistance here at 54.50 very strong, and 54.30. These two levels are needed to be taken in order to confirm further drop. Below 54.20 is where we are looking forward to a greater move, which can in fact take the prices towards 53.80, 53.50 levels. Remember, till 55.10, 55.20, we should not be treating this as bullish, at least for the day. Stochastic has dropped to oversold zone, MACD trading bearish, and RSI is already staying at bottom. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities from across the globe. Do not miss to join this opportunity. Do not miss this opportunity and join the signals channel today. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers a safe, secure environment, swap-free account, lower spreads, and no hidden charge, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, the rise here was stronger. Flat top is seen. At this point itself, I have mentioned that the bears are back in action. See, stronger slide, couple of bearish candles here, consolidation candles. Also increasing bearishness is what you can see with these two candles. Lower highs are seen. Today it is started on a bearish note. Now see, it is outside Bollinger Bands and the bands are flattened here. This suggests that it can try to give a move outside Bollinger Bands. It can take the prices further low. So I will say today at least till 5500 5520 zone is respected. We should not be treating S&P 500 as bullish. Only and only if you see a move beyond 55.20, it will try to break beyond 55.50 and then it will confirm a reversal. Right now, the movement is very much skewed on the downside. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here. This is again one of the bearish sign. Increasing body size suggests more bearishness. RSI has dropped. So possibility of a swing exists. It can try to move on the upside towards 55.85, 50, 54.85, 5500, and from those levels a further drop can be expected. Any drop below 54.50 is a sign of bearishness. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 54. Below 54.60, you can expect 54.50, 54.45 as the first target. 54.25.20 as the next target, and then 5400 will appear below 5400. It is also possible that it can keep moving towards 53.75, 53.60 zone as the next targets. Possibility is there that if it starts to dump, it is going to bring more bearishness here today itself. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 54.80, but then you have to be extreme. See, 54.85. In fact, you can buy at 54.75 itself, but then for 10 points, 54.80, 85 should be a greater resistance, and then 54.95, 5500. Any move beyond 5500 is a sign of good, strong bullishness where you can expect 55.15, 55.20 levels, and any move beyond 55.20 is a sign of reversal where we can expect 55.40, 50 zone as the next target. I still do not expect such a rise. The movement is right now very much skewed on the downside, but it can show you swings. A little rise followed with a drop cannot be denied. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Tech 100 on the hourly chart, see a flat bottom is very good support is seen here at 18,700, 18,670 zone, and see a top here at 18,900. This is the zone it has to come out of. Earlier it was the zone here between 19,000 to 18,800. Now the zone is moved a bit lower, almost 100 to 150 points lower, 18,900 to 18,750 or 18,650. So this is the zone where we have to exercise extra caution. Right now I can see it has formed a support, trying to retrace a little. It can move towards 18,800 before taking a dip again. And till 18,900, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bullish. This is very clear. The stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish, RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour charts, also on the 2 hour charts, showing a slight retracement here. Possibility of a move towards 18,800 levels exists. 18,800, 840 should be a greater resistance, and any move beyond 18,900 is a sign of reversal. I still doubt that it is going to give a complete reversal and break beyond 18,900 or 19,000 levels. But yes, we have to just stick to the levels, buy at 18,760 and expect it to move towards 18,800, 840, 880, and then beyond that, bullishness will prevail. The stochastic oversold, MACD just crossed over, trading with very minimal divergence. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, look at the 3-hour charts here. See diminishing bearishness. Very, very important to note diminishing bearishness here. And on the upside now, see also on the downside, supports are very strong. Now, if you see it is staying above 18,760, initiate a buying entry. You can expect 18,800, 840, 880 levels. And any move beyond 18,900 is a sign of reversal here. Stochastic oversold, MACD almost flat, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see increasing bearishness trying to retrace. If you track this movement, see right now the movement is very much you can say inclined with the drop here, inclined on the downside. On the upside, it could retrace here. It could try to move a little here on this zone first towards 18,900 and then towards 18,960, 19,000. I do not see it breaking this. Possibly trying to hit this zone, it can reverse. Remember this. It could show you swings, and at least till this zone, you should be very, very cautious here with the buys. That is 18,880, 900. Stochastic oversold, MACD flat at bottom, RSI flat at bottom. Coming to the now, see on the daily charts, look at these two candles. First of all, after the drop, it has seen a consolidation for a couple of candles. Today, it has seen a breakout here, and I will expect it. See, even if it has to drop, it has to swing. Yes, it can show you swings. It has hit the lows. It can try to reverse or retrace a little. Possibility of a reversal exists, but till 18,900, you have to be cautious. It is not a reversal. It can still continue on the downside. Now, see what is happening here. The movement is right now very much skewed on the downside. It is not that it has shown a good drop that it is going to reverse. It can continue here with the slide with the stronger move. The support levels are towards 18,500 and 18,400 levels, which are going to be the next targets here. Yes, first bearish candle, couple of consolidation, a breakout here will take it towards 18,400 again. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and RSI is at bottom. Does not mean that it is going to reverse. It is still got greater resistances on the upside specifically, but we have to be agnostic of it. Just buy at 18,760, expect 18,800, 18,840, 880. Once it stays above 18,880, we can expect little bullishness towards 18,925, 970, then 19,020, and beyond 19,020 we can see it hitting 19,050, 19,100, but chances for which appears to be less that we are going to see such a great reversal. However, these are markets. A move towards 19,200 is what is cannot be denied. Yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Data is the king. Data is the king maker. While right now the movement is very much skewed on the downside, considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 18,680 levels. Expect it to move towards. If you see it is staying below 18,680, expect 18,600. 2600 as the first target. In fact, below this, I will be looking forward to a greater correction towards 18,500 and 18,400 levels. 18,400 is going to be the prime support. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. So US30 so far, first of all, a wall here at 4,800. Hitting the wall, we have seen it hitting the lows here. Also, right now you can see higher lows are seen, and it is finding a very good support here till towards 4550 levels. Any drop below 4550 is a sign of further bearishness, where the prices can move towards 4500 and 4400. While I can see a very good support coming in here, and thus if you see it is staying below 4680, you can expect a move towards 4750, 800, and any move beyond 4800 is a sign of reversal, where we can look forward to 41,000 again. If you look at the hourly charts, the drop, the retracement, the drop, and slight retracement, and it could further retrace here towards 41,000. Possibility exists. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is at bottom. Coming to the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, right now the position is very much consolidating here at the bottom, and a possibility of a breakout is what you should wait for. Above 4760 and 4800 is where more bullishness may prevail. Thus, in fact, if you see US 30 trading above 4660, you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading bearish here, and RSI is almost hitting the lows. Coming to 3-hour charts, consolidation. See, remember what has happened here. Also notice the observation. Drop here, retracement, diminishing bullishness, reversal sign, first drop, first bearish candle, consolidating. It can give you a breakout here. The breakout could be strong. Thus, till 4800, at least we have to be careful here with the buys. Be watchful till 4800. Stochastic looking down. MACD here on the 4-hour chart, 3-hour charts is already trading with bearishness. RSI is already at bottom. Coming to 4-hour chart, see flat top, increasing bearishness, higher lows. It could move towards 4800, beyond which more bullishness may prevail. Moving averages trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish. RSI is already at bottom. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see, look at the movement here. Higher lows are seen, lower highs can be expected, which means it can move towards 41,000 levels as well. Remember, once it stays above 4,800 and 4,900 zone, chances will be very high that we can see a movement above 41,000. But largely, I can see the movement is very much skewed for further drop. Only thing is lower highs, which it can try to hit before looking forward to lower lows. Lower lows means 4,400. 40,400 is indeed a very good support here. Below 44,400 is where major bearishness will prevail today. Thus, till 44,400, we have to be cautious here with the sells. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 4550 and buy at 4660. If you're buying at 4660, beware of 4710, 4760, 4800. 4800, 820, once it breaks, the chances will be very high that we can see a movement towards 40,900 and 41,000 levels again. And these are going to remain greater resistances. Hitting the highs, it can reverse again and trade bearish. On the downside, below 40,550, you can expect 40,500 and 40,400. 40,400 is the level which is going to be a prime support, because below this, the chances will be high that we can look forward to a move towards 40,000 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Happy weekend, and do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow. Thank you.